Hello everybody. Hey, it's a lovely summer's day here in Broadstairs, so we've decided to make a series of films about the panels, the fused glass panels. We haven't done that before. Now this one, Pimento Fish, started out as a mosaic and I was so pleased with it. And when this coloured glass came out as a new colour, the peacock blue, I thought it'd be perfect to make it again as a glass panel. The coral is the steel blue, which, as the name suggests, can go steel, metallic, if I reduce it, starve it of oxygen, which I've partially done. So on the surface it's steel, it's rather good, and then blue on the edge, sort of ghosting effect. And then tiny blue marini to pick out the coral element. Best of all are the three fish in the colours called pimento, which is why I've called this piece Pimento Fish. And of course the pimento, the orangey red with the turquoise blue are complementary colours, which is why they sing out so much. I think it's a great success, I really like it. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. Pimento Fish. Here's a scene from under the sea, a place that's alien to you and me, but I thought it would make a nice memento from when the water was clear and the fish were pimento.